Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. If you want to know how I achieved this beautiful wig, please keep watching. So I'm gonna use a hair net or a wig net, and as you can see, the hole between this net is quite bigger. That's what I want. And with the braiding hair, I'm using Outré color 1, and also I'm using a flexible curling rod, and finally a crochet pin. So this is the wig, and I'm gonna divide it into 3 parts, and that's how it's supposed to be. So now let's begin with the crocheting. So with the crocheting, I'm gonna make sure I don't leave much space in between. Yeah. The topmost, I make sure I fill it. I don't leave my space like the other part of the hair. So now I'm finally done with the crochet, and as you can see, I didn't leave much space in between. Now I'm going to apply some shea butter. And a hair conditioner. You can use any type of hair conditioner. So the curling rod wasn't enough, so I used hair roller for at the bottom part. So guys, this is the finished work. I really love this wig. It's really nice, very soft and not heavy, and I love how curly it is. I'm gonna rock it for a while. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment your thoughts. Bye.